Orchid Show will be opening this Friday, February 16th at Myriad Gardens in our beautifully new renovated conservatory, the Crystal Bridge. And an orchid show is just that. It's a show all about the many, many species and varieties of orchids.
We try to design our shows around an interpretive theme. So this theme is the Curious World of Orchids. So you can expect to learn a lot of weird orchid facts, as I like to say.
I think that to see the quality of a professional horticultural exhibit on orchids is really something to see, even if you don't think you'd be interested. Once you come here and start to learn about them a little bit, see their beauty, the fascination, the detail of them, orchids have a kind of mystique that you have to experience them to really start appreciating.
For instance, some big light globes that we turned into terrariums, and in that area we're kind of talking about how orchids grow in very small areas or very particular environments, and how deforestation or climate change or any little thing that disturbs their very specific environment can pose huge threats to orchids and cause them to go extinct or be endangered.
So I think if you're planning to come to the Orchid Show, I would really encourage people to become a member online first, because you can get free admission into the Crystal Bridge for your family. If you join at a family level, a single, a dual, we have various levels. But once you have a membership, you not only get in free to the Orchid Show, but throughout the year, there's free admission to the Crystal Bridge, our Fall Festival, and a lot of other wonderful discounts and benefits. So that's a good thing to do. We'll also have a members line. You can skip the line if you go online and become a member before you visit. Well, I really invite everyone in the community to come out to the Myriad Botanical Gardens, the Crystal Bridge, to see our Orchid Show from February 16th and ending on March 17th.